let me show you some necklace designs that are not only appealing to the eyes, but will also help you make a fortune in the jewelry business. There's something undeniably powerful about a well-crafted necklace. It doesn't just hang around the neck, it tells a story, completes an outfit, and often becomes the centerpiece of someone's entire look. In today's fashion-forward world, a necklace isn't just an accessory, it's a statement. And for jewelry business owners, that statement holds the key to serious profit. The beauty of necklace designs lies in their versatility. One piece can transform a basic outfit into a masterpiece. It can make casual chic, formal unforgettable, and everyday moments feel like runway-ready moments. And this is exactly why necklaces remain one of the highest-selling categories in the jewelry business. They're eye-catching, emotion-evoking, and effortlessly elevate style. Now, let's talk about the magic formula, a necklace design that is visually appealing, classy, and trendy. These are the game changers. They're the kind of pieces that shoppers fall in love with at first glance. Whether it's a delicate pendant sitting gracefully on the collarbone or a bold, layered design that commands attention, these styles speak directly to what the modern shopper wants: beauty, elegance, and personality. What's amazing is that a single necklace can appeal to multiple markets. The minimalists are drawn to sleek, simple chains with soft glimmers. The romantics love customized charms with initials, birthstones, or love symbols. The bold personalities lean toward chunky textures, vibrant gemstones, and vintage-inspired elements. And guess what? You can cater to all these markets and multiply your income streams by simply offering variety in design, while staying true to current trends. Today's customers are no longer buying jewelry just to wear it, they're buying pieces that reflect their mood, mindset, and personal story. This is where your designs come in. Necklaces that incorporate modern touches like layering, personalization, asymmetry, mixed materials, and sustainable elements are especially in demand. And when paired with strong storytelling, beautiful packaging, and social media visibility, they become irresistible. But here's the true magic: a necklace isn't just a product, it's a feeling. It's the feeling of confidence when someone wears it to a meeting. It's the warmth of receiving it as a gift. It's the pride of supporting a handmade brand. When your necklace design can deliver these emotions, the sales will follow effortlessly. If you're in the jewelry business, now is the time to lean into the power of necklaces. They're relatively easy to create or source, have a high perceived value, and photograph beautifully, which makes them perfect for online selling. With the right design direction and marketing strategy, a single necklace collection could become the foundation of your fortune. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, focus on creating necklace designs that are not just trendy, but timelessly stunning. Let your designs speak luxury, simplicity, boldness, or whatever your brand stands for, but above all, let them speak beauty. Because when your pieces are beautiful, your business becomes irresistible. And remember, in the world of jewelry, a necklace is never just a necklace, it's a masterpiece waiting to be worn.